Today we're going to be looking at the area of a rectangle in this video. So let's start off by having a look at our first example over here. You'll notice that I've got two side lengths on this rectangle. I've got one which is 6 centimetres and one which is 4 centimetres. Now, how do we find the area of a rectangle? That's everything inside this rectangle. Well, in this example here, we can actually just count up the number of boxes that we've got, because each one of these represents 1 centimetre. So if we count these up, let's find out what the area of this rectangle will be. Well, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so that's going to mean that the area of this rectangle is going to be 24 centimetres squared, not just centimetres, because we're dealing with two different dimensions here, the length and the width. So 24 centimetres squared is that rectangle. Now, if I come over to my other example, you'll notice that again we've got a length here of 2.5 centimetres and a width of 3 centimetres. So the reason why I've got these areas shaded in here is to represent the fact that these are half a box rather than a full centimetre in this direction. So again, we can work out the area of this rectangle here just by counting up the boxes that we've got. So if we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.5, 7, 7 and a half, 7.5, and again our unit is centimetres squared. Now, what we might like to look at this point is just the relationship between the area we've got and the numbers that we've got on our diagram. So the area of the rectangle here, as we've seen, is 24. And that's exactly the same as actually what 6 times, or rather 4, times by 6 is. 4 times 6 is 24. And so what we can actually do here is we can allow this to give us a formula to find the area of the rectangle. So we don't want to have to add up the boxes every single time we want to work out the area. So that formula is going to be, the area of the rectangle is whatever the length here is going to be, and multiplied by whatever the width is. Now it's worth me saying here at this point that we can do that either way around. 4 times 6 is 24, 6 times 4 is 24 as well. So it doesn't matter if we do width times length or length times width. Both of those are going to give me the same solution. So area of a rectangle is length times width. Let's see now if that works for our other example over here. Well, we know that the area is 7.5 centimetres squared, and that is the same as 3 times 2.5. 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times a half, or 0.5, is 1.5. So if I add those together, that's going to leave me with 7.5, which, as we've seen already, is the solution for the area of this rectangle here, 7.5 centimetres squared.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.